Hi, my name is Donald Adebayo. I am a website and software developer, 2D and 3D animator, video and graphics editor. I am the executive officer of icewebdesigns.com. Please subscribe to our social handles at icewebdesigns. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create videos with your mobile phone, your smartphones, or your Android phones. Okay, so if you are in the class, I must have given you the link to download the app, but if you have not, all you just need to do is click on the Play Store button in your apps. I have the Play Store here already, so you click inside the search bar there and type Quick, Q-U-I-K, without the C. That's the name of the app that we'll be using for this tutorial. So once you click on that, you search and then install it. I've already installed mine, so I'll just go back to where I have the app. Alright, so now once you have done that, the app must have been placed on your screen. That's the icon of the app. So I'll scroll and just search for it, and here we go. So this is the app called Quick. So I'm going to click once on it so it opens. And here we are. So this is what you're going to see when you launch the app. So it says create a new video. I'll click on it once, and then over here you can select all the pictures that you want to use and so on and so forth. So over here I have some pictures that I'm going to select from, but later on I'm going to pick more. So I'll select this, and this. Okay, so these are the pictures that I've selected, as you can see. So the next thing you do is to click on the go button in the blue circle that you are seeing at the bottom right hand part here. And once you do that, the first thing it will ask you is to put in a title. So I'm just quickly going to put in IceWeb, the name of the company. IceWeb. Now I'll be changing this name later on when we start editing, so that you will see how you can actually change it. So now the next thing I'll do is to click on continue, and it will now begin to load. Now let me reduce the volume a little. Okay, so I've dropped the volume. Now all this that you are seeing here are different templates that you can actually play with. Okay, so I have a whole lot of them that I've been using for some of my works that most of you must have been seeing, so you will get to understand how I make my videos. All right, so let's dive in. So I'm going to play with some. As you can see, this is dashing, which is also a fine theme. So you can use a whole lot of many others, like when I try this, and they all come with their music. And later on we are also going to be taking a look at how to bring in your own music, because I know some people might say, I have my own music, how do I bring in my own music, and so on and so forth. So before we continue, I just want to create a video of showcasing my skills, maybe the 3D characters that I've been creating for some clients outside the country, inside the country, and maybe some other work that I've done. So that's what I quickly want to do for myself now, so I can possibly upload it somewhere, or possibly, just send it to friends to market myself and then get jobs. Okay, so you see what this theme looks like. I'm going to click on another one, and if you are using your headphone, you will discover that different songs are coming with different themes. I'll click on slice. So this theme comes with a slicing effect. See that? So you just have choices, a whole lot of choices, because almost all the themes are very beautiful and they can give you just what you want. Just what you want. Okay, this is Mingle, and I've used this Mingle a lot. So many of you that have seen my videos of this that I've done and that I've used for so many things. This is what I used to create them. So you have seen my secret. Okay, so I think that's enough of the show off for the themes. Now if you look down, I think we'll be working with this dashing. Let's work with dashing. All right, so now if you look at the bottom part of the screen, you'll see that we have the audio symbol there. So once you click on it, you can choose different type of songs that you have there. As you can see, if we click on this, let me increase the volume a little. I click on summer. I click on friends. I click on travel. So you see that you have a whole lot of different songs which I am going to be showing you. And then if you scroll down to the last part over here, if you don't want sound, you can shut it up. If you don't want any music, you can shut it up. And then my music is where you bring in your own music from, which we'll be looking at very soon. Okay, so the next thing to do once you have this is for you to save your work so that you can come back to it. So in order for you to save this work, you will just click on the return button on your Android, and over here it shows you that returning to home. What would you like to do with your current project? You can save it for 7 days or delete the project. Okay, so you click on save it for 7 days. Now what does that mean? Within 7 days this project will be deleted if you don't work on it. But if you're able to finish the project and you render it, the project will now be saved in your phone for as long as you have the app installed in your phone. Okay, so we can always come back to this. So with this, we finish the first part of our tutorial, and in the second part we'll be taking a good look at the other features so that you can understand more about the app. Thank you. I remain your tutor, Donald Adebayo.